Hey everyone, did you know that a surprising number of people struggle with coding interviews? Yeah, it's true. One of the tricky parts is handling duplicates in arrays, especially when they're sorted. So, do you know how to tackle that? Let's find out together. Join me as I tackle the challenge of solving the remove duplicates from sorted array problem on Leetcode, and I'll walk you through my thought process step by step. Let's see the example. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about this problem? Have you encountered it before? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other coding tutorial videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!